Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So amazing news. Yesterday Palantir got a buy rating and a new analyst for the stock. So that was none other than Bank of America, and they started coverage of Palantir, which is fantastic because, you know, the more analysts cover a stock, the more awareness there is to the stock, and Palantir has a very low institutional ownership, and at the end, that is what is going to make the price go up and make it less volatile when, you know, the big money comes into it. So I want to go through the article with you, and I want to comment on it and see what they say and what we can expect from this. So as always, if you like this channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button that is down below. And if you want to go further and support the channel, check out the first link in the description box below, which is to our Patreon. You can support us from $5 a month and you can get access to all the valuations and direct access to me and my gratitude. So go ahead and check it out. Here is the article. Palantir rated a buy on artificial intelligence and national security strengths. Palantir Technologies' prowess in artificial intelligence and national security focus bodes well for the enterprise software maker despite this year's sell-off, says Bank of America. Palantir stock climbed on Tuesday. Palantir stock rose 5.5%. It's up like, 9% now. In the morning, Bank of America analyst Mariana Mora initiated coverage of Palantir stock with a buy rating and a price target of 13. So that is a 50% up from here. And I believe these price targets are from a 12-month time horizon, which is very short term. I don't know if the stock is going to hit 13. Personally, I'm really hoping that it will revisit the sixes so I can load up on some more Palantir shares. But that's the story for another day. We see Palantir as a beneficiary of rapidly growing demand for AI platforms in both commercial and government end markets, Mora said in a note to clients. Palantir's dominant position in the AI-powered software market, differentiated end-to-end and highly secure solutions, and first-mover advantages should support more than 30% annual revenue expansion and improving profits in the midterm. So couldn't agree with her more. This is like an analyst that knows her shit, right? Palantir stock was down 55% for 2022. Meanwhile, Palantir stock had dived nearly 55% in 2022. As of Friday's market close, a software benchmark, the iShares Expanded Tech Software ETF IGV, has contracted 34% in 2022. Software growth stocks that traded at the highest multiples of forward-looking revenue, such as Palantir, have been the hardest hit. Yes, I mean, there's no question about it. When Palantir was at $44, that was unrealistic, and, you know, it was just a bubble. I don't know what to say about it. But when the stock price went below, you know, like 14, then it started being interesting, and now it's a straight steal deal. Year to date, Palantir continues to derate in line with software peer group as rising inflation and interest rate continues to impact high multiple stocks, said Mora. Again, so funny that it's not the company's bad performance that is impacting the share price of Palantir. It's the rising inflation and interest rates concerns, which has nothing to do with Palantir's business. So it's actually, this is what opportunity smells like on the stock market. You know, the company doing better and better and the stock price going worse and worse. She added, we think Palantir stock has not benefited from the recent defense re-rating despite significant US national security exposure. Exactly. Everybody somehow missed the boat that, you know, they are a military contractor, and hello, Northrop Grumman goes up and, you know, Boeing goes up because of the Russia-Ukraine situation. But this little stock that, you know, has majority income from the defense sector, we don't give an F about that one, okay? We just leave that in the shit. So finally someone notices this. We expect US and allies defense budgets to grow, and with increased focus on modernization. Data is a strategic asset, and national security agencies have to make sure that they operationalize it securely to better defend from near-peer threats like Russia and China. Yeah, great analysis. 100% agree. So this is fantastic news for Palantir price. Not so much for me because I want the price to go lower so I can load up. But the more analysts, the more awareness and more institutional investors. So it's great news. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.